Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer domain from Vistaprint. All right. So first up, open up your Vistaprint account. And once you're in here, you can go ahead and go to the top left, click on websites by Vista X Wix. All right. If you can't find this one, just go to the search bar and type in domain, hit on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can go ahead and click on this option, which says domain name. Just click on it. And just go ahead and click on connect a domain you already own. Right. Click on it and wait for the next page to load. And in here, in order to connect a domain, you first need to create a website. So just click on create a website. The next page, Wix right here, will open up. Okay. Just go ahead and click on setup without chat. And it looks familiar, right? It looks like the Wix builder. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on skip. I'm just going to close this one. As you can see at the top left, it now says Vista X Wix. All right. So just go ahead and enter your domain right here. For example, this one, and then hit on let's go. It says here madeformoney.com is taken. Is it yours? Just click on yes, I own this domain, and make sure that you have the premium Wix account. All right. In the next page, it will just tell you that we found your domain at maybe Namecheap or other registrars. Okay. It could be Hostinger or even from Wix. Okay. Ionos, Bluehost, and some other registrars. Now just click on yes, it's from the registrar, and then in the next page, just click on start at the bottom right. And the next page, just go to the website of the provider, for example, namecheap.com, and just click on log in. All right. And after that, go to the domain settings page and just click on I found my domain settings. Find the name server settings in your domain name settings. You'll be able to see what they currently look like. Just click on I found the name servers to go to the next step. Okay. And don't worry, if you want to read through this, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it in the description below. Now for step 10 right here, just click on I've replaced my name servers. And once done, you'll be given a screen that says all the steps required are completed. And it will leave a note that it can take up to 48 hours for the website to populate under the name. And that is it. That's how you transfer a domain from Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.